This is an incredible new product, and I'll get to the details of how we brought it to life. The durability, craftsmanship, comfort, all the things you want to hear about your next investment in yourself and in America. I'm Pete Roberts, founder and CEO of Origin. You know, when we first started making footwear 5 years ago, I drove all over Maine looking for the equipment and the knowledge. We scraped together a few machines and found a couple old timers to show us the ropes. Since then, a couple of them have passed away and others have retired or moved on. And I'm not sure exactly where the handoff was made, but what I'm most proud of is that this boot was brought to life by a new generation of boot makers in Franklin County, Maine. 20 and 30-year-olds who came together and somehow with Yankee ingenuity, they figured it out. This fully welted MOC TOE boot isn't just made in America. Every single one of our products guarantees every dollar stays on US soil. The leather, the lining, the thread, the eyelets, the soles, the laces, and the freaking labor. We exhaust all efforts to support our American supply chain, the truck drivers, factory workers, farmers, and I hope they'll also be wearing these boots. Now we can talk about the product. We wanted to build a boot that you could take to war, made for those who are on their feet 12 hours a day, earning calluses the hard way. We first expanded the toe box so your dogs have the room to spread and move, and a leather that would stretch just enough, because it's going to take a few days to break these things in. It also features a moccasin toe and a gusseted tongue to keep the dust and debris out. And it was really, really important to us that this boot was fully welted construction, because not only is it durable, but it can be resoled. And it has a slip resistant sole, and of course there's a shank for support and a full cork midsole, which will mold to your foot over time. If you're between sizes or unsure, we recommend going up a half a size for the best fit. You know, buying footwear online is hard, but this should be easy. You can trust American hands have been on it. It's launching Labor Day, September 2nd, 2024, along with this denim jacket and a few other incredible products. I like to call this the uniform of America. Denim, boots, and grit built this country. And once again, denim, boots, and grit will do it again.